Hello everyone, welcome to Quickfire GK Quiz One Word Answer Challenge. I am Khushi, your quiz master for today. And get ready for an exciting phase of between two brilliant minds, Akshit Bhandari and Akshit Tiwari. Today's topics are water cycle and renewable and non-renewable resources of energy. The rules are simple. As you know, you will ask 100 questions to each other and you have to respond within 5 seconds. So are you all ready?
Yes.
Okay, start.
What is another name for the water cycle?
Hydrological cycle.
What are the three phases of the water cycle?
Evaporation, condensation, rain.
What happens during evaporation?
Water changes into gas.
What is condensation?
Vapor changes into liquid.
What is the physical state of rain?
Liquid.
What is the main source of heat for evaporation?
Sun.
What happens to the temperature as you go higher in the atmosphere?
Decreases 6.5 degrees Celsius.
What form when condensed water gathers in the atmosphere?
Clouds.
What is it called when water droplets fall from cloud?
Rain.
What process changes water into snow or hail?
Precipitation.
What is the term for rainwater absorbed in the soil?
Infiltration.
What is artificial rain called?
Cloud seeding.
What chemical is used in cloud seeding?
Silver iodide.
What is dry ice used for in clouds?
To promote condensation.
In which direction is spraying done for cloud seeding?
Opposite the wind.
What process increase condensation in cloud artificially?
Cloud seeding.
What is the purpose of cloud seeding?
To remove fog, reduce air pollution, to cause rain.
What caused water to rise into the atmosphere?
Can you repeat that question?
What caused water to rise into the atmosphere?
Rain.
Wrong, heat energy. What are the form of precipitation?
Snow, hail, rain.
What is formed when water droplet cool and condense?
Clouds.
What happens to water on Earth's surface during evaporation?
It turns into vapor.
What happens to water vapor in condensation?
It cools and forms droplets.
What carries water vapor to the upper atmosphere?
Heat energy.
What happens when water droplets in a cloud become heavy?
They fall as rain. What is the process of water flowing back to rivers called?
Runoff.
What is the term for water penetrating into soil?
Infiltration.
How does condensation affect temperature in the atmosphere?
Lowers it.
What is the continuous movement of water in different states called?
Water cycle.
What forms clouds in the water cycle?
Gas.
It's wrong answer.
Sorry.
The correct answer is condensed water particles. What is the other term for water vapor?
Gas.
How does heat energy from the sun affect water?
It causes evaporation.
What is the effect of cloud seeding on fog?
Removes it.
How does rain contribute to the water cycle?
Can you repeat the question?
How does rain contribute to the water cycle?
Return water to earth.
What is the main cause of hail formation?
Condensation.
What are the three states of water in the water cycle?
Solid, liquid, gas.
What is the primary purpose of the water cycle?
Can you repeat the question?
What is the primary purpose of the water cycle?
To circulate water.
How is rainwater useful for groundwater?
Through infiltration.
What is the result of increased condensation in clouds?
Rainfall.
What is the practical application of cloud seeding?
Reducing air pollution.
How does runoff affect rivers?
Increase water flow.
What causes the water cycle to repeat continuously?
Can you repeat the question?
What causes the water cycle to repeat continuously?
Sun's energy.
What is the effect of cloud seeding on condensation?
Can you repeat?
What is the effect of cloud seeding on condensation?
What is the effect of please one time repeat this.
What is the effect of cloud seeding on condensation?
Increase it.
What happens to temperature during evaporation?
Water cool the surface.
What are heavy water droplets in clouds called?
Rain droplets.
What is the process of liquid turning into gas called?
Evaporation.
What phase of water exits in clouds?
Liquid.
What is the result of water condensing at high altitudes?
Cloud form.
How does cloud seeding influence rainfall?
Causes artificial rain.
What is the continuous process of water changing from cloud?
Water cycle. What are resources provided by nature called?
Natural resources.
What are the two types of natural resources?
Renewable and non-renewable.
Which natural resource can't deplete over time?
Renewable.
Give an example of renewable source.
Tidal energy.
Wrong, sunlight.
Tidal energy.
No, I say give an example of a renewable resource.
But tidal energy is also a renewable.
But
Yeah, that's also correct. Renewable.
which natural resource deplete over time?
Non-renewable.
Give an example of a non-renewable resource.
Coal.
What are fossil fuels made from?
Remains of animal and plants.
Name 3 fossil fuels.
Oil, coal and natural gas.
What release greenhouse gas into the atmosphere?
Burning fossil fuels.
What is used to generate electricity in thermal power plant?
Coal.
What type of reaction is used in nuclear power plant?
Nuclear fission.
Name 3 elements used in nuclear energy production.
Uranium, thorium and plutonium.
What is energy from the sun called?
Solar energy.
What material is used to make solar cells?
Silicon.
What is energy produced using wind turbines called?
Wind energy.
What is tidal energy produced by?
Natural rise and fall of tides.
What is geothermal energy harnessed from?
Earth internal heat.
What is energy from organic material called?
Biomass energy.
What is biogas made from?
Animal dung and waste materials.
What is the main use of biogas in rural areas?
Daily use.
What type of energy is tidal energy?
Renewable.
What technology is used in solar cookers?
Chlorophyll effect technology.
What are non-renewable resource formed from?
Can you repeat that question?
What are non-renewable resource formed from?
Fossil fuels.
Name 1 greenhouse gas released by burning fossil fuels.
Carbon dioxide.
What is the primary component of biomass energy?
Organic materials. How is electricity generated from tides?
By building dams in Nile River.
What does geothermal energy depend on?
Heat in earth crust.
What are windmills used to produce?
Wind energy.
What is the primary use of solar energy?
Generating electricity.
How is nuclear energy classified?
Non-conventional.
Name a renewable source of energy used in power plants.
Power plant. Hydropower energy.
What is the process of creating biogas called?
Anaerobic digestion.
What is the main disadvantage of fossil fuels?
Depletion over time.
What type of energy is solar energy?
Renewable.
How is tidal energy harnessed?
By building dams across tidal areas.
What is wind energy converted into?
Electricity.
Which energy source is derived from sunlight?
Solar energy.
What type of energy is obtained from tides?
Tidal energy.
Which renewable source uses wind turbines?
Can I repeat the question?
Which renewable source uses wind turbines?
Wind energy.
What is another name for organic waste energy?
Biomass energy.
What is the primary use of geothermal energy?
Generating electricity.
Yes. What renewable resource is used in rural cooking?
Biogas energy.
Which renewable energy depends on Earth's rotation?
Tidal energy.
What is the key material in solar panels?
Silicon.
What is the common source of nuclear energy?
Uranium.
What is the primary use of tidal dams?
Can you repeat the question?
What is the primary use of tidal dams?
Generating electricity.
Yes. Which gas is a major component of biogas?
Can you repeat it?
Which gas is a major component of biogas?
Methane.
What is the main benefit of renewable energy?
Renewable energy. Inoxidable.
What is the disadvantage of non-renewable sources?
Limited availability.
Which renewable energy comes from water movement?
Hydropower.
It's again a tie between both of you. Thank you. See you in next episode. Bye.